Yep.
Alright, what's going on, guys? My buddy Hercules here. Alright, Jun. And today we're going to talk about Jun's thoracic stage. We're going to talk about his upper limbs. And we're going to talk about... Sorry, Jun. We're also going to talk about his pectoral cavity.
Girdle.
So, let's start off talking about his ribs. Alright, first of all, we have 12 ribs on each side, total of 24. So the first 7 are going to be the true ribs. The last 5 are going to be the false ribs. That said, we have 2 floating ribs on each side. So total of 4 floating ribs. And what's holding the ribs together to the sternum is the costal cartilage. And so the sternum actually is broken in 3 parts. We have the manubrium, the body, and the xiphoid process. And right above, you can see there's a clavicular notch.
Cleavage.
And then we got our upper limbs. This guy right here is the humerus. The humerus has a head. It has a anatomical neck, and below that, a surgical neck.
Excuse me, sir. You pointed at the deltoid tuberosity.
Oh, this right here is a deltoid tuberosity, sir. Pay attention.
My bad. Okay, attention.
And then we have the epicondyles. We have the medial epicondyle. And the lateral epicondyle.
Crazy.
And then, you can't really see it, but this is actually the capitulum.
Capitulum?
Capitulum. Got that, girl.
Capitulum.
And I know I'm missing a few things. We have...
Don't say that.
No, I'm going to remember it, though, so it's fine.
Whatever.
We have the... Oh, let's go back to the scapula. So, we have the scapula over here. And you can see that we have the acromion process. Below that, we have the cricoid process. And we have the greater greater fossa on the above, and the lesser fossa below. Hi, Dr. Whalen.
Hello.
And then
We're posting this on YouTube.
We YouTube this shit.
The usual. And then let's come back down here.
What is that?
We have the olecranon fossa. This one's pissing me off. We'll get back to that. So then, now we have the ulnar bone and the radial bone. And from there, you can see that we have the head of the radial notch. And
how many views we got?
right. And then on both bones, we actually have a styloid process on each side. Oh, am I looking here too? Hello.
You have 2 cameras.
And then now we go down to the hand. And the hand is divided into phalanges, metacarpals, and carpals. And the carpals has 8 bones. And let's take a look at the 8 bones, shall we?
Yeah, 1 minute.
1 minute? Okay, so then we have the trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate. Right over here we have the... Actually, we're doing it wrong. I'm sorry. We'll do it all over. We have the trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate, trichotrum, pisiform. Above that's the lunate, and then the scaphoid. And then, as far as the phalanges, we have the middle phalanx, the distal, and the proximal. And I'm sorry, but I still can't remember what that is. It's
Look at that face.
Sexy, and I know it.
Dun, dun.
You know what we should do? Let's do
I
the.
think I'm tripping.
Let's do the Harlem Shake, Dancing with these skeletons.
Are you done?
Let's do this.
Coronoid pasta.
Coronoid. See? Okay, take a bow.
Hey!
You suck.